Hi, I'm Dr. Sean McDowell. I hope you are as passionate about the next generation as I am. Maybe you're a parent, maybe a teacher, youth pastor, grandparent, or maybe someone who's just looking at the next generation going, how do I understand and reach this generation? Well, coming up September 20th and 21st, I'll be teaching a weekend class, which is open to the public. We'd love to have you come join us with my friend and co-author, J. Wallace. It'll be Friday from 1 to 10, and then it'll be Saturday from 9 to 5. And we're gonna cover as much material as we can, but at a healthy pace, so you can walk away and say, gosh, I understand Generation Z. I have some tools and practical things I can do to pass on my faith to the next generation. This is a part of the MA in Apologetics that we have here at Biola University. And we hope you'll think about joining us. In fact, share this with a friend who you know is passionate about the next generation. So if you want more information, go to apologeticsevents.com. That's apologeticsevents.com. Hope to see you there soon.